गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल। यूट्यूब लाइव सेशन में हमारा आज का टॉपिक है पैकेज्ड फूड्स ग्रैब्स एफएमसीजी केक इन Q4FY23। आप ये बात तो समझते ही होंगे दैट फूड हमेशा से एक डिमांड सेगमेंट रहा है जो ना कि पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता है और ना ही इसे हटाया जा सकता है। But the FY23 love story with packaged food is a larger signal for people shifting to the organized segment with respect to packaged foods. In fact, packaged foods emerged as an outlier in the domestic FMCG market with strong contributions to the overall sales performance of major FMCG players like Nestle India, Britannia, Marico, and ITC. इन सभी एफएमसीजी कंपनीज ने फिस्कल ईयर 2023 के Q4 में पैकेज्ड फूड सेगमेंट में 13% से 21% की रेंज में डबल डिजिट्स ग्रोथ की रिकॉर्ड की थी। The food segment is the only FMCG subset to have maintained a very strong growth trajectory. While non-food categories like home and personal care have faced tepid to marginal growth in FY23. In fact, the growth in the FMCG sector was mainly driven by low base effects in the previous year, which was impacted by the second wave of COVID-19. Remember? Furthermore, the uptick in packaged foods was despite with food inflationary pressure over the preceding quarters, whereas edible oil prices have gone down in the last few months. Milk and wheat prices remain static. हालांकि इनमें से किसी भी फैक्टर ने चॉकलेट, बिस्किट, बेवरेजेस और स्नैक कैटेगरीज को पिछले कुछ महीनों से कम 10% की ग्रोथ रिकॉर्ड करने से नहीं रोका। The smart growth levels in the food segment can be attributed to the sales of smaller packs, bigger distribution push in urban and rural areas, as well as constant new product launches. Also, the COVID pandemic has triggered a subtle shift towards more hygienic products, and that is where the packaged foods from the organized segment score higher. जानते हैं how packaged foods rallied at Nestle India. For Nestle, their packaged food business always had a much better urban skew, as is the only subsegment of the FMCG category they are present and dominant in. इन्फ्लेशन के टाइम में नेस्ले इंडिया ने अपने फूड को के छोटे पॉकेट्स में बेचना शुरू कर दिया था. This was aligned to the typical response of customers to price hikes. They prefer smaller packs over opting for cheaper alternatives. Nestle precisely catered to that gap in the Indian markets. Nestle has a rupees 5,000 crore capex plan for the next 3 years. और इसके अलावा कंपनी की योजना है चाइनीज नूडल्स जैसी कैटेगरीज को अक्वायर करने की, जिसकी ग्रोथ अच्छी बढ़ रही है. Nestle already leads this facet of the FMCG sector, with Maggi being a virtually monopolistic player. However, further acquisitions can help to consolidate Nestle's position at the apex of the FMCG food pyramid and will also enable them to cater to the very granular need of unique sets of customers. बात करें तो Marico की, तो Marico also gorged on packet food growth. Marico set itself a target of nearly rupees 850 crores of FY24 after clocking rupees 600 crores of food product sales in FY23. Its food segment grew by a substantial 18% in Q4 FY23, with Saffola Oats continuing its leadership position in anchoring the company's growth. In terms of value, Saffola Oats की प्रमुख 43% बाजार हिस्सेदारी है. Also, new offerings like honey soya chunks, peanut butter, munchies, and mayonnaise helped Marico synergize their growth even more. Once again, it was food product segment driving growth at Marico. Britannia. So Britannia leverages its rural franchisee. Britannia ने Q4 और FY23 में अच्छे strong numbers report किए. Significant distribution gains in their business greatly helped in Britannia's growth, aided by their strategic partnership with 28,000 rural distributors, while sustaining diligent market practices. ब्रिटानिया ने उड़ीसा में ब्राउनफील्ड एक्सपेंशन के अलावा तमिलनाडु और उत्तर प्रदेश में भी बिस्किट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स कमर्शियलाइज किए हैं. द बॉटम लाइन इज दैट फूड प्रोडक्ट्स आर ड्राइविंग FMCG growth. FMCG companies are getting savvier and also localizing their global strategies. ये था हमारा आज का यूट्यूब सेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में न्यू टॉपिक के साथ। मीन टाइम सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल blinkX और लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना ना भूलें। स्टे अपडेटेड।